After weeks of downsizing, I was finally out of the apartment. I stayed with my dad and stepmom while I sold the vehicle, tied up loose ends, helped them around the house, and got ready for the flight. Oh, I could feel it. The finish line was in sight. Now it's official. I got my plane ticket. I do have to do something, and that is traveling with, here, let me show you. Let me show you what we're dealing with. This is it. This is what we're dealing with. I went from 2-bedroom apartment, off-road truck, camping gear, all that, to this. I got 2 check bags, 2 extra bags, max. So, this packing, I don't think is gonna work. I need more space. But I do have a solution. And because we are in Canada, we have a lot of hockey players. Because we have a lot of hockey players, we've got a lot of hockey bags. And hockey bags have a lot of space, especially goalie bags.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, dollar has gonna yagi, her brain fried. My lady Papa Zenny, out her lady popping Molly, why she waiting on me?
Hockey bags in. We are good to go for phase 2. Oh. Now this, we filling stuff in this or are we filling stuff in this? All right, I'm getting there. It's my gear. Then I got my carry-on. Then I got my clothes. All right, I got my toiletries. Got more clothes. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff and I still have this gear here. That's going in storage. That's going in storage. But I got all this. I got my gear here. They cannot refuse my bags once paid. So that is confirmed as well. I mean, unless I got illegal goods in them and stuff, but that's not a problem because I'm gonna carry my illegal goods with me. Just kidding. Last day. Had my last sleep last night. It was good. You know, last couple nights have been interesting with the thoughts and the feelings and the sleep. Been a journey. This has been a many months long journey in progress. Finished the packing, 80% done. I'll wrap up to 20. Flights booked. Excess baggage booked. Got the folks a nice little card and a gift card and got an idea for a grateful gesture, you know, a graciousness. Yeah, I've been there a while. They've put me up. They've fed me. 9 hours, T-minus 9 hours. In that time, I thought, hey, why not get my dad to do a strength test? Pretty good.
For an 81-year-old guy.
Yeah. 45 seconds.
I only did 45 seconds.
Wow, you're gonna do a minute, Dad. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. You're 3, 2, 1. Good. That's it. The last supper. Last minute laundry. Traveling pants. Traveling pants. Okay, it's looking good. Looking good. You're good to go. With the bags packed and the final details behind me, there was nothing left to organize, sell, or store. After months of preparation, the adventure could finally begin. In the next episode, I take flight to South Africa.